And now, San Diego Connect.
Are you tired of San Diego's awful tap water? Gabriel Carini of Carini Heating, Air and Plumbing is here with what you found are some alarming facts, I think.
That's right, Bill. There was an article released recently on USA Today about the tap water causing cancer here in California.
Wow, that is alarming.
It is, and we all know you shouldn't drink the water, but our solution to go out and buy bottled water is expensive. It's also polluting our environment, and then a lot of us rely on our fridge filters, which aren't removing the carcinogens that I'm referring to.
Oh, really? Well, what is the solution then?
Well, the solution is a whole home solution, because we want to be able to bathe in water that's safe. We want to be able to brush our teeth and have coffee with water that's safe. And the product that Carini has is an industrial grade, lifetime guaranteed product that has more certifications than any product on the market.
And how much is it?
For as low as $20 a month, you could be protecting your family and drinking great water. And there's a return on investment if you're buying bottled water.
Absolutely. It's a lot cheaper than bottled water. And as you say, it's a lot safer and better for the appliances. It's not hard anymore.
Correct. We're able to remove that, so you're extending your appliances by twice.
I love that. Get pure, clean water throughout your home. Call Carini Heating, Air and Plumbing or go online to CariniAir.com.